Hello, beautiful people. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Be Your Best with JK. So, today's video is all about healthcare. I will be sharing 10 healthcare tips which are basic and must. So, which I actually follow. So, without getting any delay, let's get into the video. So first one is drink warm water, copper water. Warm water, copper water has its own benefit, but if you drink it on empty stomach or just after waking up, it actually eliminates the toxins from your body. And second thing, it eliminates the dehydration from your body also. So don't forget to add this step into your diet or into your daily routine. It's really beneficial. It almost eliminates entire problems or just it keeps you healthy, so don't forget to do it. Second thing, do exercise and be thankful. When you wake up, it is necessary to do exercise or to enjoy the plenty of fresh air or be thankful for it. So what I actually practice is just after drinking the water, and for 30 minutes I just do walk or exercise. And by doing this, if you do meditation, it will also help to keep your mind calm and soothing. And if you do exercise, it maintains your body. So you can do whatever you like, but at least do to 15 to 30 minutes. If you do exercise or walk or just laughing exercise, it will really beneficial for you, so just practice it. So third one is eat dry amla every day. Amla has its own benefits, you know that. So amla is immunity booster, it maintains your eyesight, your skin, your hair. It has so many benefits that I can't even count on my fingers. So eating it on empty stomach when you just freshen up, so it actually helps your body. So just eat it after that, after drinking water and doing exercise for 30 minutes. So just eat amla when you freshen up, and just after 15 to 20 minutes do your breakfast. So fourth tip is eat heavy breakfast, proper lunch and light dinner. So what I mean by that, heavy breakfast you need is proper breakfast which is actually heavy, so that you can get the all over energy for throughout the day. And second thing is proper lunch, so that it can have proper meal. So when you have the energy to do rest of the work for entire day, and to have the proper vitamins, minerals for your body. It is the lunch is the most appropriate day and appropriate meal for every for completing the every meals and minerals. And third one is light dinner. So why we need light dinner? Actually, there is a logic behind it. Our body needs rest after dinner. Obviously we sleep, so when we are in a rest mode, we don't have that enough activities to do to digest our food. So it is advised to have a light dinner, so that your body can digest it easily and you have that enough metabolism for it or enough energy. Sorry for it, sorry, I am if I'm doing this wrong pronunciation and all that, because I just recorded it in one take, so I don't get enough time for it. So I'm really sorry for that, but I hope you can understand what I am trying to say. So fifth one is include salad, juice and fruits. So what you have to do is, when you include salads, juice and fruits, fresh juice actually, so you include fiber. So it is beneficial and equally helpful for a proper diet. So you should include it. You can include juice in breakfast, fruits in lunch and salads in dinner. Also, if you get hungry in the evening time and you want to switch to healthy version, skip the fast food and have a salad. It is amazing, you can't even imagine. It's really amazing. You can do your own experiments with that fruits and vegetables, and you will be amazed by that. What you actually, you become a chef on in that era. So so do your experiments and just enjoy your health. So next one is, and the sixth one is, drink water before and after 30 minutes of meal. So why I do that? You have heard your parents don't drink the water immediately after a meal. So why it is necessary? Because when we eat the food, our body produces heat and energy. So when we drink water, water is actually cool, so it lower down the temperature of our body, which is actually not beneficial for health. The energy and heat is actually required for our body to be in proper working mood. So it is advised to drink the water 30 minutes or after 1 hour every meal. So before 30 minutes one I say, so that if you have the extra temperature for your body, sometimes you do workout and all of that work, so you don't get enough time to just neutralize the temperature of your body. So it is advised when you take a meal, just drink 30 minutes before, after the meal, 30 minutes before the meal, just drink water. One glass of water is enough, so it will make you full, and it also balances your temperature of your body. So must keep in mind, before, if you can't do before, just do it after. It really helps a lot. Your digestion will increase, your metabolism will stay healthy. So please, 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 please do this, and it is really important for your health. Or if somehow, if you need to drink water in between your meal, just to drink sip of water. In some cases you feel extra spicy or some hiccups and all that, so just drink a sip of water, not more than that. So in between, if possible, skip the habit of drinking the water in between the meals. It actually have the same impact on your body, just it lower down the heat of the food and energy. So don't do it, it's not good for your health. Next one is seventh one: do not drink cold or ice water. Some people suggest that ice water is not good for your health, and yes, it is. It has the same logic that your body produces heat. So when you drink ice water, it actually damages your body from internal. Most of the times, your internal problem starts when you eat fast food, and when you drink even ice water only. So it is not good for your health. Switch it. If you want to drink cold water, use the earthen pot. Its water is actually beneficial for your health, and it's actually cold water which your body needs. The average temperature, the lowest temperature of water your body needs to be drink. So switch to this. Do not drink the icy cold water, it's really damaging for your body. Drink lukewarm water, drink normal water, or drink earthen pot water, copper water. They are good for your health, but don't drink ice cold water. Switch it. Next is drink plenty of water every day. So I have told you that how much cold or hot water you should drink, but uh, drinking plenty of water every day, you know that you need to drink water every day, what minimum quantity is required for your body, so that you don't get dehydrated and your body organs can work properly. So plenty of water, it means, what I mean by that, it's winter time, and most of our people do not drink that much water which is required for our body. So it is not good for your health if you drink less water. You actually can get dehydrated in winters also. It is a myth that you can't in winters, if you drink low water, you can't get dehydrated. No, you can get dehydrated. I also get dehydrated in winters. I have to drink lots of orange juice and lemon juice also in winters also, so that I can so to avoid extra dehydration, I need to drink that vitamin C. So please avoid that. Do not drink less than quantity water. Drink plenty of water, whether it is cold, hot, rainy day, autumn, doesn't matter what season it is. Drink plenty of water. It is required for your body. It's actually a requirement, not a necessity. It is a requirement for your body. So please do it. Then the ninth point is eat dinner 1 to 2 hours before bed and walk for 10 to 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes after that. So why 1 to 2 hour? Because as I told that your body will get into a rest mode just after the dinner. So when you go to bed just after dinner, your body doesn't digest the food easily, right? So doesn't matter it is a light dinner, you still need time to get digest. Normally your body whatever you food eat most of the time your body digests food in 30 minutes or 1 hour or sometimes 2 hours, because it depends on your actions, your body, your physical activity and all that. So maximum 2 in within 2 hours your food is get digested. So it is required and advised that 1 to 2 hours before the bed you should eat the dinner at least. And don't forget you should eat light dinner. So that's it. And the last and the main point is, I hope most of the people know that. If you don't know it, just let me down let me know in the comments down. So that is end your day with hot milk. So why it is necessary to end the day with hot milk? Why to not start the day with the hot milk? Because the milk has its own benefits when you drink it just before going to sleep. Some people have insomnia, like when you don't sleep properly or you have disturbed sleep. When you drink hot milk just before the sleep, it helps to sleep perfectly or sound sleep. So it helps to sleep properly. And milk gives its proper benefits when you drink it in hot or warm way, or just before going to sleep or at night. So switch this habit if you don't do it, and let me know in the comments how much habits do you follow in your life. And if you know this, because they are the basics, I think everybody should have these habits in their mind, but they don't follow. But if you follow these habits, you will be amazed by the results that your body will switch into a healthier version of yourself. So don't forget to switch your bad habits into the healthiest ones. And don't forget to like this video if it helped. Comment down everything which I told and everything which you want to say and ask, and everything that is required. Share with your friends so that they can get this knowledge also. And don't forget to subscribe. Meet I will meet you in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all. And don't forget to take care of yourself, because you are a precious gem. Don't forget, if you haven't watched my positive mindset one video. And I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you all. And take care of yourself and your health. Don't forget to follow this. Bye bye.